Well, brothers and sisters from California, I salute all of you who made Proposition 250 that we're here. It didn't happen because of anyone in our government. It happened because of all of you. So don't forget that this country is by the people and for the people, and we need you to be heard. It is my distinct pleasure and honor to address this group. My name is Lawrence Brook. I am the inventor of the transdermal cannabis patch. I assembled a team of scientists, and we have won 2 patents in the United States, patents in Europe, Australia, Canada, and I am probably better known as the founder of General Hydroponics Company. So many of you, thank you kindly. For 33 years, we have tried to help people grow better plants. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce Arjan, my very dear friend from Holland.
Well, welcome. Thank you for being on 420. It's a pleasure for me to be in America. This is the first big expo. As you know, I'm out from the greenhouse. We do coffee shops and genetics in Europe. And America is open, so we are also here. And thank you very much for the opportunity to be here. Thank you.
In matters of medicine involving the cannabis plant, the single most important factor is the genetics that you work with. All of the chemistries of a plant are derivative of its genetic character. And for this reason, Arjan and I have been able to be good friends and collaborators for a great many years, developing better varieties of plants. Arjan has traveled the world, finding the most exceptional varieties and refining them and perfecting them.
Yes, well, as you all know, this is my hobby, and Lawrence and I met 20 years ago. And a few years ago, Lawrence approached us. He came with a great idea of the patch. I think it's probably very revolutionary in cannabis medicine at the moment. And we're trying with our partners in Europe, who's got the factory and a license to produce medical cannabis, to see how this patch is going to go. It's probably going to be a few different patches with different combinations of cannabinoids for different patients and different diseases. And yeah, it's a very young company, it's just starting, and Larry can tell you much more about the technical parts. Greenhouse is in for our genetics. We have a wide range of possibilities with this patch, and the future will learn us where to go.
We have tried to select plant varieties with characteristics that will meet the needs of different kinds of patients. For example, for people suffering from extraordinary pain, the combination of THC in large amounts, CBD and CBN work amazingly well to help patients who are managing pain such as multiple sclerosis, lower back pain, dental pain, recovery from all kinds of disabilities. There are other applications, including managing seizures for epileptics, which would favor the use of CBD and CBN, and in some cases without the THC. The doctors like to choose the correct combinations of cannabinoids to meet the needs of each individual patient group. Different kinds of patches can be made, which will vary in the speed and the intensity of the dose. For example, we can create a patch that gives the patient a very rapid and very powerful amount of cannabinoid, or we can create a patch that can last as long as a week and provide a very slow and controlled amount of cannabinoid release, actually causing the patient to have no awareness that they're receiving a cannabinoid infusion. This is very good for epilepsy and for many of the psychiatric ailments.
Yes, I totally agree. In the last 20 years, we have been working with a few thousand patients in Holland to the Stichting of Instant Miracle Marijuana with John Burton, one of the famous patients in America. And we find out that people react very, very different. People can have the same diseases but react different on plants. And this is of course part of the research. That's why it's such a complicated medicine. That's why I think it's also not yet a total legal medicine, for example, in Europe. It's going to cost a lot of time and a lot of effort and of course a lot of money to figure out exactly what's going to help who.
We've received essentially no help whatsoever in the United States. We've had to do this job in Europe. And fortunately, the European regulators understand that this is mainstream medicine which will provide relief for people suffering from ailments over a large range of age groups. by creating an exact mix for each patient. The physician has access to a very powerful tool, and this will bring relief to people all around the world. Ultimately, we will have this patch in the United States, but we are following all of the correct regulations to go through preclinical, phase 1, 2, and 3 patient trials, and will bring to market a competent and completely recognized product that will help people. It's not amateur work. This is a very, very big mountain to climb, and it's really taking the combined forces of Arjan and me and the great number of scientists that we work with.
Yes, so we are very delighted to roll with this patch. I think the whole thing that's happening here in California now, you can see we can move a little bit on. Unfortunately, we also already with this company had to come over to Europe, where these kind of possibilities are bigger and better. But maybe in the near future we have the possibilities to work here in California with the government.
I'm pretty sure the door is starting to open. We are in a new world now in the United States, and though there's still some obstruction, primitive elements of our society, members of government from prior times who don't understand that the Constitution is the very essence of America, and that life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness are the foundations upon which this country were built. When they interfere with the doctor's ability to provide medication to a patient, they have violated the constitutional guarantee of life. When they arrest a person who is suffering or who's made a personal choice that they wish to use cannabis, they deny them their liberty. And when any of these things happen, they're denied the pursuit of happiness. Therefore, I propose to you that the obstruction of the Constitution, which now goes back 70 years in the United States, is in fact a violation of our Constitution, and our government has been guilty of criminality, and we the people will no longer tolerate that. So I ask every one of you to speak up, to send letters to your government representatives, send letters to the editors of newspapers who will be more responsive and no longer tolerate law enforcement personnel who think that they can write the law, persecute people, and imprison them. Those people are the criminals. I beg all of you, get educated at Oaksterdam.